Hey, so I got this cutie on my mailbox today and I want us to unbox together. You know, I always like to show you guys beautiful stuff. So this is Mose, let me switch the camera. So this is Mose Romano, let me see. Yeah, Rose Romano. Clarity vision, polarized, shatterproof, eye protection, anti-dazzle, true color. Okay, so for the eye protection, we really need that here in Dallas. It's so hot. All right, so let's get into it. Let's open this. The packaging alone is inviting, and I've always wanted a brown glasses. So here, I found a gift. Let's talk about the gift. So what does this mean? If you know, please tell me. I know this is Kyoda, so I don't know what this part does actually. I don't know if it's just like, but this is Kyoda. So I got a gift. And this high clarity, it's a clarity vision, polarized, shatterproof, high protection. We need high protection. In Dallas here, anti-dazzle, okay. True color, okay. We need high protection. Here in Dallas is very, very hot. Burning hot. So here, they gave us another gift. So we got two gifts. A Kyoda, okay. And then the glass cleaner. The glass cleaner. So this, I don't joke with this anytime I want to. Remember, this is not just for glasses. You can also use this for the back of your phone, the camera side, the lens. I always love to clean it. So these things, I have them around me here whenever I want to record. I love to have them around so that I will have a clean, clear camera. So yes, two beautiful gifts. Thank you. Thank you to this company. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And they are also on TikTok. You can follow. All right. Okay. So now to the main business. Hey there, we are Mose Romano. That's my welcoming message. So here, this is cute. Honestly, anything yellowish and, when you combine yellow and gray, it's always a beautiful color. I'm looking out to that color for my house. Whenever I move out of here, that's going to be my color, gray and yellow, because I love it bright. Okay, so this is what these glasses look like. Look at the sides. Like all the glasses on TikTok, they are just too cute. I have never bought any glasses that doesn't make sense. So tell me, what do you think about this? This is cute. So right now I'm going to turn off my flash. Of course, this is going to be, oh my god, oh my gosh, this is cute. This is cute. Like, tell me. Hello. Hi. How do you do? How you doing? Look at the side. Look at the side. Look at the sides. Rosa, amigas. Mose Romano. Mose Romano, thank you. This is cute. This is given. I'm this person that love glasses a lot. Like, I have so many glasses. So this is another color that I love so much. Okay, it's kind of coffee brown somehow. Hi. I love. Can I give 10 stars instead? Because this is given. I love it. I love it. So thank you for unboxing with me. If you need these glasses, you like it, right? So go straight to the cards. You can see the orange cards below this video. Grab yours now, because I will always advise you to grab what is good. I'm not going to mislead you. If it is not nice, I'm not even going to bother myself. I'll tell you the truth. So this is beautiful, okay? And I'm so glad I can go anywhere with all of these glasses and look so blown away. Yeah. Thank you for unboxing with me. I'll see you again in another video. Bye. Don't forget to go and read the chapter of the day. And please do not forget what chapter should we read next. As for me, I am voting for Mr. Revelation. Tell me what you vote for. See you all. Bye.